Welcome and thank you for tuning in. I'm Precious Rutland, trichologist and hair regrowth doctor. This channel is all about hair health and happiness. I'm here to show you how to heal your hair from the inside out so you can have a healthier body, mind, and soul. I solve the unique hair health and wellness needs of working business professional women that work in high stress corporate and government environments. Go ahead and share this video with your best friends. Today, we're going to talk about 3 common causes of dandruff. So let's get started. The first cause of dandruff, is not shampooing your hair enough. Depending on your hair texture and type, you may have to shampoo your hair and cleanse your scalp every 2 to 4 days. Your hair won't dry out, neither will your scalp if you're using the right products and treatments, you're eating the right foods for your biochemistry. Tip number 2, if you're not using a moisturizing shampoo to follow behind your dandruff shampoo with a deep conditioning mask treatment. So for instance, for dandruff, you will need a moisturizing shampoo and conditioning treatment more frequently until your dandruff problem is under control. So for instance, you may need to do a conditioning or mask treatment 2 to 4 times a week for 30 days to get those symptoms under control. And however, you can't stop there once it's under control. While you're managing it, you still need to find out what is in your lifestyle. I'm talking about products, diet, emotions, what is contributing or exacerbating those symptoms. I get it. It's nothing more embarrassing than when you are in a meeting or you're giving a presentation and every time you go to scratch your head or look a certain way, there goes those flakes. Tip number 3, your scalp is clogged and not exfoliated. So you have product buildup. There goes the back of your shampoo. You're not removing the dirt, the oils, and all the debris that you need. You tried the natural remedies, but they just won't quite work. And the scalp treatment that your hairstylist or trichologist can provide you is really what you need. Now, there are also many other factors to consider when you're doing scalp exfoliation. For instance, is your scalp covered with sores, eczema, or inflammation? Then you should not be doing scalp exfoliation at all. This may be contributing to your dandruff along with some other factors that's preventing you to heal. This whole dandruff thing can get deep, but let's recap. So 3 common causes of dandruff: not shampooing your hair enough, not using a moisturizing shampoo to follow behind your dandruff shampoo with a deep conditioning or mask treatment, and 3rd, your scalp is clogged and it's not exfoliated. If you have found this teaching valuable today, I invite you to sign up for my common scalp video 5-part video training series, and it will show you how to manage these symptoms. Click the link that is associated with this video. Again, my name is Precious Rutland. This teaching has concluded. I am your trichologist, the hair regrowth doctor, and health and wellness coach. You should be following me if you want to heal your hair from the inside out.